Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change captions language on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, all you have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to system. Here in system, scroll down again and go to accessibility. In accessibility, scroll down again and go to audio and on-screen text section. Here you can see the captions. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the captions. Now here in caption, make sure the caption is enable or turn on. So here in captions, you can see the language. And the language is set into default. And to change the caption language, you'll have to do is tap the language. And now here you can see the option of language. So, okay, the caption language is set into default. You can see the option of language per country here. So you can scroll down for more language available. So, okay guys, for my example, I change the caption language into English Canada. So, okay, tap the English Canada. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the caption language on my itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.